So, I want to talk about insecurity today because insecurity, even though visible नहीं होती है, even though we cannot outrightly see, like हम जब किसी को देखते हैं तो we cannot find out कि what this person is insecure about या फिर इसकी insecurity क्या होगी. We do not see it, but जिसके पास वो insecurity होती है. So if there's something that I am insecure about, मेरे को बहुत प्रॉब्लम होगी उससे. So it has become the center of my universe. So let's talk about insecurity because I think we all are insecure about something. We all have been through that phase जहाँ पे हम किसी एक चीज़ को लेकर बहुत insecure हैं. You know that it has started to cause a lot of problems in our life. So that I'm going to help you understand insecurity in reality, like what it is, so that आप इनसिक्योर होना बंद कर सको. सो दैट ये जो इतनी इनसिक्योरिटी जो प्रॉब्लम्स कॉज करती है या फिर जितना हम अटेंशन जितनी एनर्जी अपनी वेस्ट करते हैं टू ओवर थिंक अबाउट सर्टन थिंग, टू क्वेश्चन आर सेल्स, टू ब्लेम आर सेल्स कि ऐसा क्यों है, अगर ऐसा नहीं होता तो कितना बेहतर होता, बिकॉज दैट इज हाउ इनसिक्योरिटी वर्क्स. वी बिकम इनसिक्योर अबाउट समथिंग which we cannot change. Most of the times that is how insecurity works. Like most of the times it is about our body, the way we look, or about certain aspect of us. So I can be insecure about anything, my personality, the way I look, my height, my color, anything basically. And most of the times ये ऐसी चीज़ें होंगी जिन्हें हम कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते हैं. And that is why insecurity is so powerful. It takes over you. It makes you overthink. It makes you wish. It takes you into that victimhood where you are the helpless one. I'm going to tell you certain things about insecurity which I am 100% sure that it is going to change something in you and you will begin to rise above this thing. The insecurity जहाँ पे आपका बहुत सारा attention जा रहा है अभी वो कम होगा. So first thing, जब हम किसी भी चीज़ को लेकर इनसिक्योर होते हैं ना, अपने किसी भी बॉडी पार्ट या फिर किसी भी चीज़ को, एनी एस्पेक्ट ऑफ अस, जब भी हम इनसिक्योर होते हैं ना तो हमारी कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें होती हैं कि हमें लगता है ना कि ये कोई स्टैंडर्ड है, कुछ परफेक्शन है जो होना चाहिए था जो कि नहीं है. So we start to feel lack of something. We start to feel that there is, मतलब कोई एक मेजरमेंट था. We create a bar, एक स्टैंडर्ड फिट क्रिएट करते हैं कि ऐसा होना चाहिए था, ऐसा नहीं है. That is the problem. Alright. अब इससे क्या होता है when we have such a mindset, हम we start to feel lack. We start to feel inferior in ourselves, or somewhere in our mind we create a perfection level कि ये होना चाहिए था. This is where I should have been, but because I'm not there, so I'm inferior. When we go out into the world with such a mindset, अब हम क्या करेंगे, whenever we are seeing somebody, हम उनको भी उसी चीज़ के लिए जज करेंगे. So अगर हम किसी को भी देखेंगे तो we are only going to notice that thing कि यार इसके पास तो ये है. If it's about height, we are only going to see people for their height, because now that thing has become the center of my universe, when in reality it is not. Okay, we are going to talk about that. So this is one thing that happens when you have an insecurity. It becomes the center of your universe. आप एक परफेक्शन क्रिएट कर लेते हो कि ऐसा होना चाहिए था, ऐसा नहीं. सो यू स्टार्ट टू फील इन्फीरियर इन योर ओन सेल्फ. तो इसमें किसी और ने कुछ नहीं किया है, राइट? आपने ही वो परफेक्शन लेवल क्रिएट किया. हियर यू आर फीलिंग बैड अबाउट योर ओन सेल्फ कि आई एम नॉट फुलफिलिंग दैट क्राइटेरिया. दैट इज वन थिंग दैट हैपेंस व्हेन यू हैव इनसिक्योरिटी. नाउ why are we talking about insecurity? I mean, how it is causing problems. The number one, it robs you of your confidence. So when you are insecure, you are definitely going to lack confidence, because what is confidence? Confidence is simply how much you accept yourself as you are. And insecurity means कि कोई एक ऐसा हिस्सा है, there is some part of you जो आप accept करने को तैयार नहीं हो, which is very hard for you to accept. Somewhere you are very strongly wishing कि I wish I was not this way, I wish this thing was not. अगर ये नहीं होता तब तो लाइफ बेटर हो जाती, तब तक तो मैं कॉन्फिडेंट होता परफेक्टली. जबकि ऐसा नहीं है. यू आर अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट बिकॉज द इनसिक्योरिटी इज सो स्ट्रॉन्ग. और प्रॉब्लम वो भी नहीं है that you look a certain way, और या फिर there is a certain thing about you that you are insecure about. Problem is that you have made it your insecurity, that it has become your insecurity. Now let's talk about what insecurity really is. See, हमें लगता है ना कि insecurity is in my body, it is in my personality, it is the fact that I'm not confident, or it has some physical form, or it has some existence. In reality, insecurity is not in your body. Insecurity is not in the way you talk or any of those things. Insecurity असली में हमारे mind में होती है. It is actually in our thoughts, in our beliefs. Okay, so have this thing clear, because you will not believe this. In certain cases, what will happen? You will come across people जिनको देख के आपको लगेगा नहीं कि this person is going to be, that this person is insecure about something, या फिर इस person के पास कोई insecurity होगी भी. You will not realize. But if you knew that person, maybe that person is insecure about something that is just standard for you. Maybe, who knows who created the standard? You never know. So what I mean to say is कि insecurity does not exist in body types या फिर anything that's visible or something that you can point out. Insecurity हमारे head में it like insecurity lives in your head. It's a belief. Insecurity is nothing but a belief that this part of me is not acceptable. या फिर ये ना ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए था. It should have been like this. So I am a misfit. So this thing about me needs to be changed because कहीं पे भी मैं जाऊँ तो people are only going to see me for this. We make our insecurity our entire identity. So if I am somebody who is concerned about her maybe skin color, maybe height or maybe body type, anything, I will make that thing my entire identity. Meaning बाकी लोग तो they will see me as whole, they are going to see me as a person, but when I am going to meet somebody, when I am going to interact with somebody, I am going to see myself as just as that part of myself. I am going to believe that this person is only noticing that part of me. I am going to believe that this person is also thinking about my body weight. This person is also thinking about my skin color. So that is how insecurity is. Insecurity is not in your body, or it's not about having a particular kind of body or color, anything. Insecurity is a strong belief that something is wrong with me or this part of me is not acceptable. एक स्टैंडर्ड था, परफेक्ट स्टैंडर्ड था, वो होना चाहिए था, बट ये नहीं है. तो दिस इज माई इनसिक्योरिटी, दिस डिफाइंस मी, दिस इज समथिंग दैट आई नीड टू बी अशेम्ड ऑफ. ऐसा लगता है हमें. दिस इज वॉट इनसिक्योरिटी इज. ऑलराइट, so you are not your insecurity, and ऐसा कहीं नहीं लिखा है that what you are insecure about is what people are judging you for. कहीं नहीं लिखा है. And there are always going to be people who are going to judge you no matter how good you become. When we are insecure about something, हमें लगता है कि ना एक बार ये चीज़ ठीक हो जाए, once I get rid of this, या फिर once I improve on this, like in some cases it could be that okay, once I lose weight, once I get this figure, सब ठीक हो जाएगा, लाइफ में सब दम बेस्ट होगा. People will respect me more, people will love me more, people will like me more, I'll have more friends and all of those things. असली में ऐसा नहीं है. हमें लगता है कि once we get rid of our insecurity, या फिर अगर हमने फिक्स कर लिया अपने इनसिक्योरिटी को, तो people will like us more, people will approve us, या फिर everybody will start to respect me. ऐसा नहीं है. You can be the best of best, you can be best looking person, still you will have people who will just not like you, who will reject you, who will find something to maybe comment on you about, or something to talk bad about you. So get rid of this thing that कि ये जो insecurity है ना, यही मेरी प्रॉब्लम है. once I solve this, एक हो जाए, बस ये सॉल्व हो जाए ना, एवरीथिंग इन माई लाइफ इज गोइंग टू बी सॉल्व. हमें लगता है ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा. देयर आर ऑलवेज गोइंग टू बी अ सेट ऑफ पीपल हु विल ऑलवेज हैव अ नेगेटिव आउटलुक ऑन थिंग्स. जब भी आप उनके पास जाओगे, दे विल फाइंड आउट सम शॉर्ट कमिंग इन यू. आप बिल्कुल परफेक्ट बन के जाओगे, तब भी वो आपको बता देंगे कि व्हाट, दिस इज लैकिंग इन यू, अभी आपको इस पर वर्क करना चाहिए. And there will always be another set of people who will always be accepting of you. They will always accept you just as you are with open arms. It's about what kind of people do you want to attract in your life, or what kind of people do you want to be a part of. Because to be a part of these people, who are accepting of you, these people are open to accept you just as you are, because they have accepted themselves. And this set of people who are so quick to judge you, who are so quick to comment on you, आपका body weight ऐसा है. और ये कमेंट भी बहुत टेढ़े मेढ़े होते हैं, इनडायरेक्ट कमेंट्स विच विल मेक यू फील इनसिक्योर, विच विल मेक यू फील लाइक इन्फीरियर, विच एक्चुअली मेक्स यू फील लाइक व्हाट, अगर ये नहीं होता ना तो कितना अच्छा होता, पीपल वुड एक्सेप्ट मी. ये जो सेट ऑफ पीपल होता है, दे डू दिस थिंग, दे मेक यू फील इनसिक्योर बिकॉज दे आर इनसिक्योर इन देमसेल्व्स. कभी नोटिस करना, पीपल हु मेक यू फील इनसिक्योर, दे आर इनसिक्योर इन देमसेल्व्स. वो कहते हैं ना, आई कैन ओनली गिव यू समथिंग दैट आई हैव, दिस इज ट्रूथ. So if I am insecure, I am going to project that insecurity on you because it helps me relieve my pain. It helps me feel good. An insecure person is going to make you feel insecure. Alright? So always remember this. वो insecure है इसलिए आपको भी feel कराता है because they want that ना, कि अगर मेरे को pain हो रहा है तो इस person को भी वो pain होना चाहिए. So always remember, हमें लगता है कि एक बार मैं insecurities, once I get rid of this, everybody is going to respect me. ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा. People who make you feel insecure, they will continue doing that no matter who you become. And people who will be accepting of you just as you are, they are always going to do that. They would not want you to change, change for them. Definitely, you always change or improve in life for, for growth, to become better, but not to impress somebody. That is a wrong thing. Next statement that I have is that हमें लगता है कि हमारी इनसिक्योरिटी बहुत बड़ी चीज़ है, Because again, as I said, it becomes the center of my universe. So my insecurity is going to be the center of my universe. I am going to think about it day and night. I am going to search for it on Google. कैसे ठीक करूँ? How can I get rid of this? It is going to become my weakness, and it is all going to stay in my mind. If I am going to meet somebody new, जिनको मैं पहले कभी नहीं जानती हूँ, they are going to see me just as I am, as a whole person. But internally, I am going to think ये person भी मेरे में यही सोच रहा है. Whatever I am insecure about. So if I'm insecure about my personality, I'm going to think ये person भी अभी मेरे को जज कर रहा है, ये मेरी personality जज कर रहा है, and all of those things. Okay? हमें ऐसा लगता है. But in reality, nobody cares about your insecurity. Nobody cares about you enough, honestly. हमें लगता है कि people think about us so much. But in reality, nobody cares about anybody else enough. वो जो थोड़ी देर के लिए आगे कमेंट करके चले आते हैं, वो अपनी पूरी कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि इफ आई एम फीलिंग इनसिक्योर इन माई सेल्फ, लेट मी मेक दिस पर्सन ऑल्सो फील इनसिक्योर इन देमसेल्फ. वो दे आर डूइंग इट एज अ टाइम पास. वो भी जब घर जा रहे हैं तो अपने बारे में सोच रहे हैं कि मैं यार मेरे में ये कमी है, मेरे में ये प्रॉब्लम है, मैं क्या करूँ. तो दे आर इनसिक्योर इन देमसेल्फ. एंड टेल मी, आप कितना टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हो किसी और के बारे में सोचने में? यू आर कमिंग बैक एंड अगेन थिंकिंग अबाउट योर इनसिक्योरिटी, राइट? विच इज अगेन टू इम्प्रेस अदर पीपल. डू यू सी हाउ फनी दिस इज? I mean, it's like a loop. We all are trying to impress other people. So we all are busy in making ourselves perfect, in finding our faults. कि ये problem है, ये कमी है, let me make this better. That this is the reality. Nobody cares about you enough. Trust me, nobody is caring about you enough. So if you have a certain kind of body, if you look a certain way, if you are a certain way, if you talk in a certain way, and you do not like it exactly. Trust me, whether you are liking it, whether you accept it, or whether you've just made peace with it, nobody cares. ये लोगों को इतना फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. किसको पड़ेगा फर्क? आप बताओ. You tell me. Let's suppose you are insecure about something और आप अभी तक बहुत ही क्रिटिसाइज कर रहे हो अपने आप को, बहुत ही अपने आप को हार्श ट्रीटमेंट देते हो. You are doing very hard to get rid of it. You are judging yourself, questioning yourself, blaming yourself, hating yourself for that. किसको असर पड़ रहा है? Tell me. किसको फर्क पड़ रहा है? किसी को नहीं फर्क पड़ रहा है. डू यू थिंक कि ऐसी चीज़ें ऐसे करके यू आर गोइंग टू गेट बेटर, यू आर गोइंग टू इम्प्रूव इन लाइफ? और अगर हो रहा है तो क्या अभी तक कुछ रिजल्ट आया है? टेल मी. तो किसको असर पड़ता है? व्हेन यू hate a part about yourself very strongly, which happens when you are insecure about something, आप बहुत ही नेगेटिव इमोशंस आप अपने अंदर जनरेट करते हो. ऑलराइट, व्हेन यू जनरेट सच नेगेटिव और लो वाइब्रेशन थॉट्स एंड वाइब्रेशंस, इट इज़ ओनली गोइंग टू अफेक्ट योर लाइफ. आपका मूड खराब रहेगा. यू विल फील बैड और अंडर कॉन्फिडेंट मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स. यू विल फील लो, एनर्जी लो होगी, एनर्जी ड्रेन रहेगी. क्यों? बिकॉज यू आर थिंकिंग, यू आर ओवर थिंकिंग ऑल द टाइम. एक प्रॉब्लम है जो सॉल्व नहीं हो सकती इसलिए में, बट यू आर ट्राइंग टू सॉल्व इट. हाउ? बाय ओवर थिंकिंग, बाय ब्लेमिंग योर सेल्फ, बाय क्रिटिसाइजिंग योर सेल्फ. एंड आई एम टेलिंग द रियलिटी. ये होता है. तो मेरे कहने का ये मतलब है कि आप वेदर यू एक्सेप्टेड योर सेल्फ फुली, या फिर तो आप किसी चीज़ को लेकर बहुत इनसिक्योर हो अपने बारे में, या फिर तो यू आर फुली क्रिटिसाइजिंग योर सेल्फ, हिटिंग ऑन इट कम्प्लीटली, ओवर थिंकिंग अबाउट इट ऑल डे लॉन्ग. किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. ट्रस्ट मी. हाँ, आपकी लाइफ में ज़रूर फर्क पड़ रहा है. आपकी एनर्जी वहीं जा रही है, फिर आप अपना अटेंशन वही दे रहे हो, और फिर यहीं पे स्टकनेस फील होती है. यू फील हेल्पलेस कि मैं तो कुछ कर ही नहीं पा रही हूँ, मैं तो कुछ कर ही नहीं पा रहा हूँ. बिकॉज यू आर फोकस्ड अपॉन समथिंग दैट कैन नॉट बी चेंज्ड, और यू आर trying to do something that needs not be done. And this brings me to the solution part. So what is the solution? If I am insecure about something, what do I need to do? First is you need to see, when I will say the term acceptance, it will feel very cliche, I would say. अरे हर जगह acceptance कहते हैं, क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है? होता तो है नहीं, बहुत डिफिकल्ट लगता है. Acceptance का मतलब ये नहीं है कि you are going to remain same, या फिर आपकी growth बंद हो गई, आपकी improvement बंद हो गई. No. Acceptance का मतलब है you come to this acknowledgement that this is who I am, this is the body that I have, or this is the reality. It's like not running away from what is, because we are always wanting something, right? But acceptance needs to happen when you are insecure about something, because as I said, किसी को फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है. तो आप you can keep being insecure about something, keep overthinking about something. तो एक ये वाला पाथ है जो अभी तक आप फॉलो कर रहे हो, and it has not been helping, rather वो आपकी एनर्जी ड्रेन करती है. और एक दूसरा पाथ है where you accept yourself as you are, and trust me, try to accept yourself. And to do this, to do the self acceptance, you need to get rid of the strong criticism that you are giving yourself, the blaming that you are doing to yourself कि मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ, मैं ऐसी क्यों हूँ, I wish this part was not there. Just try to get rid of this complaining nature. Stop complaining about how you are. पहले एक बार ये करके देखो. It will start to feel very liberating, because when you accept yourself, It's like you own yourself. And when you're insecure about something, it is not about the other people. It is not that other people have rejected you. It is about that you are rejecting certain parts of yourself. But when you accept yourself, it's like undoing insecurity. And slowly with time, the more the acceptance grows, the more you realize this fact that insecurity is an illusion. Perfection never existed. जो आपको लोग perfect लगते हैं, they are not perfect. वो भी किसी चीज़ को लेकर insecure है. So it's about working on insecurity. अगर insecurity से बहुत problem हो रही है, then you need to work on it. You need to make it manageable, and this is how you do it. You accept yourself. Alright, yes. So first, insecurity lives in your head. It's a belief, it's a thought, it's in here, it's in the mind. Insecurity is not necessarily in your body or the way you look or the way you are, because perfect कुछ नहीं होता है. हमें जो perfect लगता है वो बहुत ही practice के बाद कोई बनता है, या फिर certain people are just good at certain things, you know, it's like their gift. उसी तरह आपके पास भी कोई gift है, but you are focused on just one part कि नहीं मुझे ये गुस्सा आ रहा है कि मैं ऐसा क्यों दिखता हूँ, या फिर ये ऐसी चीज़ ऐसी क्यों है मेरी लाइफ में. Okay, so before ending the video, I would like to give you just one last insight. It's like my personal way of thinking about insecurity, because when we are insecure about something, we look at it कि जैसे कि ना ये बहुत ही permanent चीज़ है कि अब तो ये मुझे मिल गई है, but I don't want to be like this, I wish it could change. We start to think like it's something permanent, when in reality nothing is permanent. Your life, you have a limited time here. So एक ही लाइफ स्पैन है, लाइक यू नो, तो दिस बॉडी दैट यू हैव, ये अभी आपको बस इसी लाइफ स्पैन के लिए मिली, राइट. सो यू हैव अ लिमिटेड टाइम विद इट, एंड एवरी सेकेंड एवरी डे इट्स पासिंग बाय, राइट. सो वो टाइम जा रहा है, यू कैन नॉट स्टॉप टाइम. अब उस टाइम में इधर यू सिट एंड क्राई कि यार मुझे ऐसा क्यों मिला, वाई डू आई लुक दिस वे, मेरी बॉडी ऐसी क्यों है. इधर यू कैन क्राई और ये टाइम तो बीतेगा ही. सो यू हैव जस्ट लिमिटेड टाइम, और यू कैन एक्सेप्ट इट. इस लाइफ टाइम के लिए यू कैन कम फ्रॉम अ बिलीव दैट यू नो व्हाट, I have been given this thing, the body that I have, the way that I look, the color that I have, everything. This is something that I have been given for this lifetime. Now it's upon me. Do I want to cry over it? And it's just for a limited time. We think that it's permanent. We cry over certain things because we think it's permanent. तो बदल नहीं सकता, मेरी body ऐसी, I cannot change it. It's not permanent because nothing is permanent. So you have a limited time here, and with every day it's passing by. So either you can enjoy your life, you know, own the body that you have, live in it, and be in peace with it, like, you know, making peace with who you are, making peace with your own body. Or you can just use the same lifespan, use the same time, limited time that you have, to cry over it. Either way you're going to, you know, reach the end. The choice is yours. What is helping you? Make the choice. The way of looking at insecurity this way really helps, or the way of looking at life this way really helps, because then you realize that things are very much temporary. Maybe what you're worried about right now, it is going to change anyway in 5 years. It's about, are you going to spend these 5 years cursing yourself, criticizing yourself, or you want to love yourself, you know, come from a place of peace. The choice is yours. So I'm a life coach, and I talk about problems that people face in their life. So basically I help people build a healthy relationship with themselves, so that they can come to a place where they understand themselves, where they respect themselves, where they love themselves. So I help people create a loving and beautiful relationship with their own selves. So if you are somebody who have some problems in life, or if there is certain topics that you would like to, you know, have me make video, so you can just comment on